let's talk about the connection between iodine and your metabolism. Iodine is a chemical or mineral that your body needs but can't make. It's found in food such as in seafood, iodized salt. Now, I like to get mine from seaweed. Iodine is taken from your blood by your thyroid and uses it to create its hormones that help to control your metabolism throughout every one of your cells. It converts food into energy, and if it's struggling to do this, you may experience symptoms such as fatigue, a feeling of cold, depression, and possibly weight gain. Because instead of converting food into energy, it stores it as fat. You can place ear seeds on the auricular thyroid point located over here to assist the process of your thyroid extracting iodine from your blood to create hormones that help to regulate your metabolism.